Hello my technology chums and welcome to part 4, which is being filmed immediately after part 3. So we are still connected to the internet. Somebody wanted to sit in their car at the end of my road, they would get stared upon by the neighbours because that sort of thing didn't happen very much here. They wanted to use our Wi-Fi. So what I wanted to do is have a look at something that I have already installed and used, but I want to see if it's going to be any better than our Internet Explorer 5. Obviously this is unmolested, almost. It's got Service Pack 3 on it, but I've got a plan to hack it back more. But while it's unmolested, I've got Puppy Linux here, the Windows installer version, because obviously I can't boot this from anything. So this is now going to restart into DOS. It's quite cool. It's going to restart into DOS, and I'm going to be interested to see if it works with the internet. If it picks up that card, which is still in there. I haven't taken it out. Look, there it is. So hopefully that will be pulled through. There we go. Oh, la. And here we go. It is now booting up its little Puppy Linux install. I did try and get damn small Linux, but I think it's a depreciated build. I couldn't find a reliable source for it, so I didn't bother. That's why I got Puppy Linux, because I found it and it was easy to install. So here we go. There it is. Oh, the mouse isn't working. Oh, don't tell me USB is not working. So I'm moving the mouse, nothing's happening, so I'm having to use the nipple. Which is interesting, because in Windows the nipple doesn't work. How do I... That's probably going to mean that the internet's not going to work. So this is Puppy Linux. It's ever so similar to Windows. So much similar. Okay, mouse / keyboard wizard. Oh. Choose type of mouse. USB mouse. Okay. Okay, I've got no mouse yet. Still no mouse. I don't know how this works, I'll be honest. I was just hoping that being Linux, it would just work. That's cool, then we can probe some hardware. Let's query the PCI. Let's query the drives. This means nothing to me. Windows 95 FAT32? No, it's definitely Windows 98. So this isn't going very swimmingly. Network. WAG, wireless access gadget. Well, I presume that's what we need. It says WAG is not configured. Launching socket test. Go on then. Yep, that's fine. Ooh. Oh. No, what? Let's pop it out. See if that works. Obviously, I didn't test this wireless card with Linux. It was done purely just for Windows 98, really. This is, I'm only showing you this because it's on here. As soon as it's gone, it's gone. It's cool, but I want to go back to that thing where I chose 1 or 2. No, I can't. So that's not working very well. So it's wireless card active, wireless card. So maybe this just isn't a very Linux friendly dongle. What was I going to do? Oh, who knows? I'm going to give up for now. But yeah, it's surprisingly fast. It's got a word processor, it's got graphics processing. See, we've got, oh, hello. Oh, that's finally booted up the Firefox version 1.8. So yeah, I don't know. I think it's actually running off of a live because it's giving me the option to install it. I'm not installing it. I don't know how to make it install stuff. I'll be honest. Oh, let's look at the system information. This will be funny. Welcome to Xbox. So Linux 0.24. It's a Celeron Mendo Chico. Speed 298 megahertz. Genuine Intel. We have 62 kilobytes of RAM. I don't know what that means. Sound, there's no sound devices either. So this isn't going very well for it. It's not recognising anything. But then should it? I mean, I'm used to Ubuntu, which sort of does, but I don't think there's any way Ubuntu's going to run on this. We might try that for a laugh. I might download. But how do I run a live CD without a CD drive? Google that. I won't Google it now. Let's see what the USB information is in case that. Oh, you got my optical mouse. Why won't you work then? Manufacturer PixArt. It says HP to me. Here, I can't see a PixArt on it anywhere. It's just one of these HP things. Oh, let's see what configure does. I don't know what that means. Yeah, I'm not messing with that. It's very old school Mac looking to my untrained eye. It doesn't help. I don't know how to use Linux at all. With a paint program. Oh look, I drew a circle. Cool. Yeah, all these changes. What? Ah. Oh, I don't want to do whatever I just did. What's HTML? Please open Composer. Ah. No. Right, little word processor application. Which doesn't seem to be loading. Very ripped off MSM icon there. And that's basically it. I'm going to shut down now because if you press... Oh, hang on. Oh, hang on. Oh, Composer is loading. ABI Word. Abbey Word. Yeah, it's still running a little bit slow on this. I feel like this 98 ran a little bit faster. Oh, that's because I've loaded it. Look at all those times I've loaded it. It's no wonder that's not very happy. Yeah, I'm just going to reboot. Because all you do is, if you can start, you go to reboot. Oh. Shut down. Oh, oh, hey, reboot. Just push the button. I want to get out of there. There we go. It should just trip back into Windows 98. Hopefully, yeah, rebooting the system. Ta-da! And back to the familiarity of Windows 98 after our brief dive into the world of Linux. So, thank you very much for watching part 4. Part 5 will be a tad more interesting because, oh hang on, we want to run Windows. Yes, I don't know MS-DOS, so I'd love to return to Windows. Oh, it's going to be a bit again. So yes, part 5 will be coming, where hopefully we shall have some more hardware to play with and can put a fresh installation of Windows on this via said hardware. So stay tuned for that. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.